Do you ever feel like you're tired for no real reason? Even after a full night's sleep, you still feel low on energy? Your mind feels heavy, a little restless all the time. And the strangest part? There's no clear reason behind it. If you can relate to this, then understand one thing. Your body is not broken. Your daily habits are slowly draining it. And today, I'm going to share some Zen habits that can start healing your body from within.
Healing begins when you pause. So now first, take just 5 minutes a day to focus on your breath. Breathe in deeply, slowly breathe out, and feel your body relaxing with every breath. This mindful breathing shifts your body from stress mode into healing mode. So now let's talk about eating. Today we don't really eat, we just rush through it. But when you slow down and eat with awareness, your digestion improves and your body absorbs nutrients better. This is where real healing begins. So now third is digital detox. Your mind is constantly overloaded, just like a notification, reels, messages and other social media platforms. If your mind never rests, your body can never heal. So every day, take at least 30 minutes away from screens. That silence is where healing actually happens. And now fourth is mindful movement. Exercise is not just a physical, it's a form of moving meditation. When you walk, stretch, feel every moment consciously. This reconnects your body and mind. And now fifth is rest and stillness. Begins busy all of the time is not productivity. Your body heals when you pause. So take some time daily to just sit in silence, doing nothing. And finally, gratitude. Before you end your day, think of just 3 things you are truly grateful for. This small habit shifts your mindset, and when your mind becomes positive and your body starts healing naturally.
Look, healing doesn't happen overnight, but when you start making small daily changes, your body begins to respond. Now I want to ask you, which of these habits will you start today? Let me know in the comments. I read them. If you found this video valuable, like it, share it, and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. I'll see you in the next video.